Okay, everyone. This is my 2003 Polaris Sportsman 500. The radiator and the fan assembly. And I was cleaning the fan assembly, and I was using some degreaser and whatnot, right? Something like this. And the spray 9 degreaser and everything I used on this, but it didn't get too clean. But when I sprayed this on there, it turned like that, and it turned that thing almost silver in the whole the fan side. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. I flip this around. This side here, right? I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with some Easy Off. It's like a gel kind of. I'm gonna let it sit for 3 minutes, and I'll be back and I'll wash it off and show you the difference. This thing is crazy. It works great. My 2003 Polaris Sportsman 500 currently got the most of the front end torn apart. I did get the pins out now. I'm starting to work on the hubs, get them off, get the brake calipers off, hubs. The hub right here. Get the gear oil out and all that stuff, and get ready to take off the whole shock tower, which I gotta follow these lines, take off the power, take off this P clamp, and take off this wire right here for the what do you call it, for the four-wheel drive magnetic activator for the switch and everything. But let me go check back on my radiator over here. Go ahead and spray it off now. Been about 3 minutes or so. Set this to center. Sorry, I don't got a stable thing, but here we go. Look at all that mud, dirt. It is just coming off. Wash off all the stuff into grass over here, but yeah, it works great. Just let me know what you think. But yeah, all of that dirt right there, all that mud, is North Carolina from the Deep Creek ATV Park, North Carolina. Before I moved up here in Washington, so I'm going back to North Carolina soon. Get my bike ready to ride my buddies and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching.